In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off or on Start Week with Monday on Notion. Whether you're using Notion for organizing your personal tasks or managing complex projects, how your week gets displayed can make all the difference in your productivity. Some people prefer their week to start with Monday, aligning with standard business calendars, while others might find it more natural to start with Sunday. Fortunately, Notion provides a simple way to customize this setting according to your preference, and today I'll be guiding you through this process. Let's begin by navigating to Notion. If you're using your desktop or mobile app, simply open it up. Otherwise, you can access it via your web browser by typing www.notion, so into the address bar. Once you've got Notion open, we're ready to get started. Next, you'll need to click on Settings. If you look in the bottom left corner of your Notion interface, you'll see a menu icon. Clicking this will bring up a sidebar with various options. Locate Settings. It's usually one of the options near the top of this sidebar. Clicking on it will open up a new menu. Now that we have the Settings menu open, we want to navigate to Preferences. This is the section where Notion allows you to adjust various aspects of how the application works based on your needs. Within the Settings menu, you'll find Preferences listed. Go ahead and click on that. Once inside Preferences, the next step is straightforward. You're looking for the option labeled Start Week on Monday. You'll likely find it within the Calendar Preferences, which is typically grouped with other time-related settings. Here, you'll see a toggle switch that allows you to choose whether you want your weeks to start on Monday. If this setting is currently active and you prefer to start your week on a Sunday, simply click the toggle to turn it off. Conversely, if you want to adhere to a Monday start week, ensure that the toggle is switched on. Now, the beauty of this feature is its simplicity. As soon as you toggle the switch, Notion automatically updates your calendar settings. There's no need for an additional save button or confirmation box. You can immediately go back to your workspace and see that the changes have been applied. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your Notion settings to either start your week with Monday or not, according to your preference. This small change can make a big impact on how you view and interact with your tasks and schedules. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy planning on Notion.